Okay, I cannot tell you how much this comment means to me as someone who has no brows whatsoever. So I thought I'd just show you guys what I do. Okay, so Mented's High Brow Pencil is the only thing I use. I don't use gels or anything else. I start by making sure my brows are really dry because it's easier for the pencil to grip on to a dry surface. Then I outline the brow shape. And these days I start with this brow that has more hair to it. So I just outline the shape starting at the bottom. You see that? Then the top to get to ultimately the shape I want, and then I just color it in. Once I've got the basic shape I want, I come back and make little hairline strokes. You see that? Before I spoolie it. So I just take this end, spoolie. And then the tricky part is trying to make sure this brow looks like this brow. And for every day, that's it. I'm done. But if I'm feeling fancy, I will take a little concealer and line up the bottom just so it's super clean. And that's it. That's how I do my brows every single day. And thank you again for the love because it was a long journey getting here.